Pi Network, the mobile-based cryptocurrency mining platform, finds itself at a critical juncture. Launched with ambitious goals of widespread adoption and financial inclusion, Pi Network has garnered a massive user base. However, recent developments have cast a shadow of uncertainty over its future. The value of Pi Coin, the network's native cryptocurrency, has tumbled significantly since its peak in February 2025. This decline has been accompanied by dwindling trading volumes and persistent market skepticism. The network's closed mainnet, which restricts the free trading of Pi Coin, has further fueled concerns about liquidity and transparency. As Pi Network navigates this turbulent phase, its ability to address these challenges will be crucial in determining its long-term success. The coming months will be pivotal for Pi Network as it strives to regain market confidence and deliver on its promises. The network's response to the current challenges, particularly its efforts to enhance transparency and facilitate wider Pi Coin adoption, will be closely watched by investors and the wider cryptocurrency community. The recent performance of Pi Coin has done little to inspire confidence among investors. The cryptocurrency has experienced a sharp decline in value, plummeting over 80% from its all-time high of $2.99 in February 2025. Currently trading below 60 cents, Pi Coin faces significant resistance near the 58 to 60 cents range, with analysts predicting a further decline to 40 cents or even 10 cents. This bearish sentiment is further compounded by dwindling trading volumes, a clear indication of waning market interest. The 24-hour trading volume for Pi Coin has plummeted by nearly 50% to a meager $34.95 million. This lack of liquidity raises serious concerns about Pi Coin's ability to function as a viable medium of exchange. The combination of declining prices and shrinking trading volumes paints a bleak picture for Pi Coin in the short term. Unless the network can address these fundamental issues and restore investor confidence, the road ahead for Pi Coin looks increasingly treacherous. Adding to Pi Network's woes is the recent controversy surrounding a rumored partnership with BNP Paribas, a global banking giant. This rumor, which circulated widely on social media and even found its way into a now retracted article by Cointribune, has been debunked as false. The source of this misinformation appears to be an unverified GitHub repository promoting a Pi Nexus banking system API integration. This repository, falsely attributed to BNP Paribas, fueled speculation about a potential partnership and contributed to the spread of misleading information. This incident underscores Pi Network's vulnerability to hype and the rapid dissemination of fake news. The lack of official communication and verification channels within the Pi Network ecosystem creates fertile ground for rumors and speculation to flourish. The BNP Paribas debacle serves as a cautionary tale, highlighting the critical need for reliable information sources and robust fact-checking mechanisms within the Pi Network community. While the BNP Paribas partnership rumor has been definitively debunked, conflicting reports have emerged suggesting the possibility of a different type of collaboration. CoinSpeaker, a cryptocurrency news outlet, has reported on a potential partnership between Pi Network and BNP Paribas. According to CoinSpeaker, this partnership aims to integrate blockchain technology with traditional banking systems using SEPA and open banking APIs. The purported benefits of this integration include faster transaction speeds, reduced costs, enhanced financial inclusion, and increased institutional trust in the Pi Network. It's important to note that this information directly contradicts the debunked BNP Paribas rumor and should be treated with extreme caution. The lack of official confirmation from either Pi Network or BNP Paribas casts doubt on the veracity of these claims. Until concrete evidence emerges to support these reports, the existence of a partnership between Pi Network and BNP Paribas remains highly speculative. Investors and community members alike should refrain from drawing any definitive conclusions until more information becomes available. Section 5. Mainnet Wallet Activation, a step towards accessibility. In a move aimed at improving user experience and expanding accessibility, Pi Network has launched a Mainnet Wallet Activation update. This update simplifies the process for KYC-verified users to access the Pi Network mainnet and manage their Pi Coin holdings. Previously, accessing the mainnet required users to navigate a complex and often cumbersome process. The new update streamlines this procedure, making it more user-friendly and intuitive. Furthermore, Pi Network has partnered with third-party KYC providers like Banxa to broaden global user access. This collaboration allows users to complete the KYC verification process through a trusted third-party platform, making it more convenient and accessible for individuals worldwide. While the Mainnet wallet activation update is a positive development, it remains to be seen how effectively it will address the concerns surrounding PiCoin's liquidity and tradability. The true impact of this update will depend on Pi Network's ability to create a robust and functional ecosystem where PiCoin can be easily exchanged and utilized within the network. Section 6. Binance listing, community hope versus reality. Despite overwhelming community support and an 86% vote in favor, Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, has yet to list PiCoin. This lack of listing on a major exchange has been a major point of contention within the Pi Network community, fueling uncertainty and frustration among users. Binance's stringent listing criteria, which prioritize transparency, liquidity, and decentralization, have posed significant challenges for Pi Network. The centralized control exerted by the Pi core team over the network's development and decision-making processes has raised concerns about Pi Network's ability to meet these criteria. The absence of PiCoin on a reputable exchange like Binance severely limits its accessibility and trading opportunities. Until Pi Network addresses the concerns surrounding its centralized structure and demonstrates its commitment to transparency and decentralization, a Binance listing remains a distant prospect. The Pi Network community's hopes for a Binance listing will likely remain unfulfilled unless the network undergoes significant structural and operational changes to align itself with the requirements of major cryptocurrency exchanges. Section 7. Charting the future, technical analysis and expert predictions. Predicting the future of any cryptocurrency is a fraught exercise, and PiCoin is no exception. Technical analysis and expert opinions offer a glimpse into potential price movements but should be interpreted with caution. Bearish outlook. Some analysts maintain a bearish outlook on PiCoin, citing the declining price trends and the formation of a symmetrical triangle pattern. This pattern suggests a potential drop to $0.2965, representing a significant decline. Neutral, slightly bullish stance. Other experts maintain a more neutral or slightly bullish stance, pointing to the recent slight price increase and increased trading volume. The RSI hovering around 46.63 suggests a neutral market sentiment, while a weak bullish MACD crossover hints at a possible upward movement. Optimistic projections. More optimistic projections, contingent on exchange listings and positive developments, suggest a potential surge to $5 by the end of May. CoinCodex, a cryptocurrency data aggregator, offers a more conservative estimate of $2.02 under ideal conditions. Long-term predictions are even more uncertain, with some analysts suggesting that PiCoin could surpass the value of many altcoins if it achieves mass adoption over the next 5 years. Investors should exercise extreme caution and avoid making decisions based solely on technical analysis or expert opinions. Section 8. Proceed with caution, a call for due diligence. As with any investment, particularly in the volatile world of cryptocurrencies, due diligence is paramount. Investors considering PiCoin should approach it with a healthy dose of skepticism and conduct thorough research before making any financial commitments. The conflicting reports, declining price trends, lack of confirmed exchange listings, and centralized nature of Pi Network raise significant red flags. Investors should carefully evaluate these risks and weigh them against the potential rewards before making any investment decisions. Relying solely on social media hype, community sentiment, or speculative price predictions is a recipe for disaster. Investors should consult reputable sources of information, scrutinize the project's white paper, and seek independent financial advice before investing in PiCoin or any other cryptocurrency. Remember, investments in cryptocurrencies are inherently risky, and there is always the potential for significant losses. Investing wisely requires a cautious approach, thorough research, and a clear understanding of the risks involved. Section 9. The last word on Pi Network. The future of Pi Network hangs in the balance. While the network has garnered a massive user base and generated considerable hype, it faces significant challenges that could hinder its long-term success. The declining value of Picoin, dwindling trading volumes, lack of major exchange listings, and concerns about centralization have eroded investor confidence. The network's ability to address these issues head-on and deliver on its promises will determine its fate. Whether Pi Network can overcome these obstacles and emerge as a major player in the cryptocurrency space remains to be seen. Until then, investors would be wise to exercise extreme caution and approach Picoin with a healthy dose of skepticism.